Welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we're making bulky hot dogs because I don't know what else to call them. But these are Soggy's Franks. They're widely available in Rhode Island, but any natural casing hot dog would work for this. I like to cut them in half, and then I like to take those pieces and split them. But when I cut down, I don't cut down all the way. I go almost to the bottom and then just butterfly it, open it up like that. That way there it sticks together and it's easier to handle. Then butter up a griddle or a large frying pan or whatever you have and lay them round side down to get them started. Because we're going to cook these hot dogs. We're going to cook them on both sides. So you want to center them in the pan so they cook fairly evenly, and then we're going to use a cast iron pan as the makeshift grill press. Cast iron pans are very handy in the kitchen, you know. And then flip them over. Okay, you want to make sure you don't burn them. But you want that browning to take place because that really does add to the flavor of the hot dog, you know. And again, these only take a couple of minutes per side, if that. Just keep an eye on them and check and make sure that they're done, but not burnt. All right, and if so, just push them off to the side because we're going to start building our sandwich. What I have here is a slice of cheese on top of a bulky roll, and we're going to start building layers. This is all about layering. And one of these sandwiches is actually 2 hot dogs. Okay, so it's a meal. And then in between the layers, we want to put some condiment that we have, and this happens to be hot dog relish, which is sweet relish and mustard already mixed up for you. Then I'm going to throw on a slice of red onion and season that with some celery salt. Yes, celery salt is very good on things like this, and you'd be surprised. And then we're going to continue to layer the sandwich. So we'll have a lot of goodies here. We got the 2 hot dogs that have been cut and split. Then we have some freshly cooked bacon and another slice of cheese. Now I gotta say, if there was a Big Mac version of a hot dog, this would probably be it. All right? And but we're not done yet. We want to cook this. We want to bake them. So we're going to arrange them back onto that griddle, and we're going to put those into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Just keep an eye on them so you don't burn the bread. And yeah, that's going to help the cheese to melt and warm everything back up again. But I think more importantly is what happens to the bread itself is that by baking it, you're going to end up with a nice crispy top, and it's going to be nice and soft in the middle. So I'm going to cut one open so you can see what it looks like inside. That cross section reveals all those beautiful layers of hot dog and cheese and bacon and onion. It's to die for. And I hope you give it a try. And I hope you come back each week for more great videos made for people who like to cook. Until then, ciao.